Hey friends, I am out taking a little walk this afternoon while Charity and Renee are at ballet lessons. And after we get done here, we are going to go to the store. So I thought I'd bring you along on a little miniature grocery haul. Safeway has some really good deals this week for 4th of July, so I wanted to pick up all of those. And I'm also picking up stuff for a family get-together we're having this weekend where I'm going to get to meet my very first nephew for the very first time. He's like 2 weeks old now, so I'm super excited about that. But we're just going to have like a family get-together type thing. My two brothers that are coming are making the meat. They're excellent cooks, especially when it comes to meat. And so that's what they're bringing. And we are doing some sides. I'm going to do watermelon, which is on sale at Safeway. So I'm going to pick that up there. And then we're doing dessert. So you guys probably already saw the video of Renee and I making the Keto Chow Blueberry Cheesecake. That's the low-carb dessert that we're providing. And I'm going to get ice cream to go with the blueberry cobbler that Autumn is going to make that's not low-carb. So just a few things to pick up there. And so I thought I would bring you along for a Safeway grocery haul. I got my two ballet helpers today. Let's see if we can knock this out. The ice cream last. Any incredible reduced deals? Not seeing anything. Oh, let's see. Needed some laundry soap. 97 cents a pound, spare ribs. I'll go ahead and do that, I suppose. And it's not an egg. That's a steak with butter on it. You are so funny. All right, ribeye steaks are on sale also, so I'm gonna grab some of those. Limit one. I guess that one looks as good as any. All right, so I got black cherry. Then there's watermelon and lemon lime. That's all that they got. I'll get a lemon lime.
Lemon lime and watermelon.
Yeah, we can get watermelon. Which watermelon, Renee? Let's get a big one. Maybe this one. That one looks pretty enormous. Are you guys ready to go pick out the ice cream flavors for tomorrow for the get together? Ice cream to go with the desserts that we made.
Chocolate mudslide.
Chocolate mudslide. Let's see what they have. Oh, that sounds good.
Yes,
You can get up to 4. I don't think we need 4, maybe 2. What do they have? They have a hazelnut caramel. I don't see their regular caramel.
Cookie dough.
Moo melted milkshake, cookie dough, strawberry. Chocolate. Oh, they have Tillamook mudslide. That's what you wanted, right, Renee?
Yeah, cookie dough and Tillamook mudslide.
What about a fruity one? Because we got a chocolate one.
I love cookie dough.
All right, let's get 3. Get a cookie dough, and should we get strawberry,
Nope.
cherry, or white chocolate raspberry?
Strawberry.
Strawberry?
Yes.
Okay.
I like white chocolate that much.
I think that's gonna do it. Ready to check out?
And this. This is gonna do it too.
Yeah.
And I'll get the cheese.
We've got some time to kill before we have to go pick up Autumn, so the girls are having their after ballet snack, and I'll go ahead and show you what I got in my haul. Giant watermelon for tomorrow. Couple things of laundry detergent. I love this kind. It's so easy to use. Two 2-pound packs of strawberries that were on sale for $5 today. These were on really good sale too, so I stocked up. I'm gonna put some in the freezer. 2-pound shredded cheese. I got 4 of them. Bunch of bananas, because everyone's obsessed with bananas these days. Got a big pack of ribeyes because they were on sale. It was limit 1, so I grabbed these. I'll probably individually freeze them so I can pull one out at a time when I need one. And then a big thing of pork spare ribs. I'll also throw those into the freezer for another time, but 97 cents a pound. I couldn't pass it up. We're gonna have some roasted potatoes tomorrow for the get-together, so got a couple fun little potatoes for that. Some Fuji apples, 2 things of blueberries for our blueberry cheesecake that Renee and I made, and then to go with the blueberry cobbler that Autumn made for the dessert table, we'll have some ice cream. They picked out chocolate chip cookie dough, strawberry, and Tillamook mudslide. Then we stocked up on a few drinks. We've been loving the Waterloo so much. I got black cherry, watermelon, and lemon lime, and then just 4 of the lime Soleil seltzer waters. There were lots of good coupons that I used, including a $10 off a $50 purchase. So the total was $153.90. I'll do a quick little scan of the receipt just in case you were curious about any of the prices. $5.49 for an entire rack of spare ribs. That is such a good deal. $18.18 for 3 giant ribeye steaks. That makes me happy.